Hi, welcome to HardReset. In front of me Realme Narzo 50i Prime, and now I'm gonna show you how to set up newbie share on this device. Firstly, open control panel, enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and location services. Location. If you have no location services here, click on this button, find location here. Drag it to top part of your panel, and fine, here you have location. Enable it and click and hold on newbie share. Now choose share more easily, click agree, enable newbie share. Now you can rename your device, you can change your device visibility mode, ask us to use everyone mode, you can change data usage mode, ask us to use data mode, and